So we are near the High Roller here. There's tons of places to eat and drink. The Flamingo Hotel is located right over there. Super great location for cheap food and drinks. This is inside the High Roller. It takes about half an hour or so. You can get a great view of the city from here, all lit up at night.
In 1966,
There are individual pods for your group, or if you have a small amount of people, you'd be joining in with other people. Air conditioned, has seats. You're allowed to bring alcohol on here as well, as long as it's not in a glass container. And you get a great view of the sphere.
so high I'm hypnotized. We'll rock you. 40-year-old young man, hard man, shouting in the street, coming to the whole world someday. Got blood on your face, you big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. Say what? We will rock you.
The package we got with the helicopter does include a transfer. Nice little bus. Picks you up and drops you off back at your hotel. So we are flying with Maverick Helicopters tours today, and with their tour they also include a touchdown inside the Grand Canyon with a champagne toast and a small picnic. So this is super great. Gives you a great view of the canyon. Just taking a pit stop here to refuel the helicopter. Thank you for watching part 3 of my Las Vegas vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon.